Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix cannot play online with my friends in Lords of the Fallen. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So I'm going to show you our different ways on how you can possibly fix a problem. So first, what you can do is to check your internet connection. So before trying anything else, just make sure that your internet connection is stable and strong, and you can test your connection speed using a site like the speedtest.net. And if your connection is slow or unstable, just try resetting your router or modem, or you can contact your internet service provider for assistance. Then next, what you can do is to verify your game files. So sometimes game files can become corrupted or missing, which can cause issues with multiplayer. So to verify your game, you can just go ahead and follow the steps right here. So open the Steam and go to your library and right click onto the Lords of the Fallen and select Properties. And click onto the Local Files tab, and after that click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. So this will check your game files and replace any missing or corrupted files. And then next, what you can do is to make sure you are or you and your friend are using the same game version. So if you and your friend are using different versions of the game, you won't be able to play it together. Just make sure you both have the latest version of the game installed. And then next, what you can do is to check your game settings. So make sure that your game settings are configured correctly for multiplayer, and you can try resetting or you can try setting your render mode to performance mode to increase the FPS at a lower visual quality. And then lastly, what you can do is to try inviting your friend directly. So if you're still having trouble playing your friend, just try inviting them directly to your game. And you can do this by interacting with a Vistage checkpoint and selecting beacon friend. So hopefully one of these solutions will help you fix the issue and play the Lords of the Fallen with your friends online. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.